Hello everyone and welcome to Fast Track Tutorials. We are back with the second part of sculpting materials in Zbrush series. In volume 1, we went over how to sculpt 10 different materials, specifically focusing on ancient stone walls, cliffs, floor tiles and ground materials. In this volume, we will teach you how to sculpt over 8 different types of tileable materials only using Zbrush. Featuring surface type like old castle walls, medieval walls which will feature bricks, plaster, wood, cider blocks, pebbles and classic rock walls. We highly recommend that you read the description of the course for more information. The general takeaway of this course is that at the end, you will have all the knowledge and know-how to create exactly what you see in the image. And you can apply this knowledge to almost any type of material. Due to the time-consuming nature of the sculpting, this course has been divided into a blend of real-time narrated content and time-lapse footage. This way, we can teach you exactly the techniques you need to know without wasting too much of your time. But as a bonus, we also have included an untime-lapse version of the tutorials, allowing you to follow the creation of all 8 materials completely in real time. With a total of 7+ hours of video content, I feel confident that at the end of this course, you will have the know-how to sculpt the wide variety of surfaces. This course will also come with auto-generated subtitles in English, Chinese and Spanish. We hope that you will enjoy this course and it will bring a positive impact in your creative life. Thanks again for watching Fast Track Tutorials and we wish you happy learning.